Hi there, today in this video we're going to create our website with WordPress and Elementor to build our pages. Also, we're going to use only free resources, no premium plugin needed or premium theme. Okay, let's say you want to have a website under your organization name, which has information about what your organization does, as well as some photos for all organization members. Also, you want to allow people to donate once or monthly to support your organization. Besides, you can launch campaigns and collect money for charity thing. And you can let people contact you directly by filling out this form, which will be sent to your email inbox. Before we get started, if you want to build custom and clean website for your organization that has all the features you have seen and so much more, make sure to visit our gig on Fiverr, which you will find the link in the description below. Okay, this is the website that we are going to build today. So we have some blue color here, and you can put anything you want here, some value proposition you are actually providing. You can put some logos of global organization that supports you. You can say anything about your organization here, write a little bit about your organization, or put video here. There are some campaigns that already launched. Here are some call to action for the visitor. If you like the visitor to become a volunteer, or if you like him to support, have some imagination or what you think about your organization does for the world. There are some numbers you have raised, and also some testimonials of people that have already donated. And we have team member, and also we have some blogs. You can write about anything you want, news or anything. Like if you have helped children from Syria, you can write a blog about it. And we also have about, which would have some information about your organization, as well as some photos. You can put your real photos here. And we have some goals, or your organization goal for this year or something like that. Call to action, again, team member. We have contact page where anyone could send a message directly to the email. And we have, if you would like to donate to this campaign, you can put any number of money you want. It will be sent directly to your bank account by making the payment. You can fill out all the information, or you can donate by clicking this button and help the organization raise $10,000. And this is our website in mobile view. It's fully responsive. We have this menu. It's also responsive. We have everything here from blogs and pages that are existing on our website. Okay. We have everything that is 100% full responsive. There are some campaigns and also testimonials. And we have team, also some blog. Yeah, let's say this blog. How does this look? Let's see how blogs looks on mobile. This is our blog. You can write a comment if you want. This is our footer. Let's go to about page. This is our about page. Let's go to contact page. This is our contact page. This is it. You can submit this form. It's also responsive for tablet view. That's it. For iPad, as you can see, it's fully responsive for desktop and also iPad and also mobile view. Okay, this is Mustafa from David BMD, and let's get started. Okay, so first step to create our website is to get a hosting and set up WordPress on it. Okay, but first, what is hosting and how can I get it? Hosting is a space on the internet where you can put your website on so that anyone would be able to access it. Okay, to get a hosting, all you need is to find a hosting company that provides that service. I'll choose Hostinger. So search for Hostinger and follow along with me. Okay, this is the official website of Hostinger. You can go to hosting and select shared web hosting. I'll choose premium shared hosting, which is pocket friendly, which also offers the best features. You can create 100 websites. There's free email, free SSL, and also free domain. There's a lot of things. Go ahead and select this plan. You can choose the amount of time you want your website to be alive on the internet. For me, I'll choose 24 months. And here you can create your account by signing up or put in your email. And also you can select payment. I'll choose paying with credit card. This plan has free SSL certification and also free domain name and protection, also free setup. You'll be paying only $95 in total, but I'll be using a coupon code to reduce the price. We have reduced the price from $95 into $86, which is really cool. Okay, here you can fill out your credit card information and submit to do payment. You can set password for your Hostinger account. Don't forget this password, it's really important. Okay, let's set the password and click confirm and click start now. You can skip these questions if you want. Okay, now select a platform. In this video, we're going to select WordPress. Now let's create our WordPress login details. You can write your email here and your password here and click continue. You can select a template. But just click skip. I don't need a template. At this part, we're going to claim a new domain for your website. A domain is actually the name of your website. You can write whatever name you want for your website, but it's better to use your organization name for your website. And then click here and select .org, which stands for organization. You can click search. Okay, after seeing this green check icon, that means the name of your website is available to use. And you can finish setup by clicking this button. Okay, you can fill out this personal information and click finish registration. Okay, there you go. Your website now is alive on the internet. Click manage WordPress to see the dashboard of your website. Okay, this is your WordPress website dashboard. But first, if you couldn't get into your WordPress website dashboard, I'll show you how. You can go and write your domain /wp have admin. And eventually you'll get this page. This is the So to go to your WordPress dashboard, you need your email and password. You have already entered these details in hosting part. Okay, after filling out this information, go and click login. Then you'll get to your WordPress dashboard. First thing we're gonna do is install a theme. Theme actually controls our appearance of our website. Okay, go to appearance to install a new theme and go to themes and add new and search for Astra. This is the theme that we are going to use. But first, let's see how our website actually look like. This is how our website look like. It's quite bad. I'm going to activate it. I've already installed it. Okay, let's see how our website looks like after installing Astra. Let's hit refresh. This is our website. It has changed a lot of things. A lot of things has changed. Okay, let's remove these unwanted themes. Delete all of them. Let's keep up our main theme. Okay, go to plugins and install plugins and remove these unwanted plugins. Okay, after deleting these plugins, you need to install new plugins that we are going to use in this website. So click add new to add new plugins that we are going to use in this video. You can search for Elementor and install it. And after installing, click activate. You can go again and search for Contact Form 7 and install it. Click install and then activate it. And this is the same process that you are going to do while installing new plugins. I'll give you the name of the plugins and go ahead and install it yourself. There is also something we can change before start building our website. Go to settings, go to general, and here you can set your site title, your anything you want, and there's a tagline. In a few words, explain what this site is about. You can say anything about your website, like this website is for helping children's, and let's write about it. This is your website URL. Then hit save. One thing we also need to do is go to permalink and select host name. This is really cool for SEO. SEO is stand for search engine optimization. Okay, and go and save changes. Okay, so to build our website, we need to create pages. Okay, to create pages, go to pages and click all pages and click add new. And let's create our home page. Okay, let's type home page and let's publish it. Okay, there you go. The page has been created. Let's create about and contact page and donate page as well. Okay, now we need to create our menu. What is menu? Menu is actually items here, but we are going to change these ones into home, about, and contact, and also donation button here. Okay, let's go ahead and create them. Let's go to appearance and menu. Okay, let's call it a name. Let's call it main menu. Create menu, click create menu. Okay, go to this part, the items that you want them to be here in this menu. Okay, select home, about us, and okay, go ahead and select items to your menu. Select home and about us, and also contact us. Okay, click add to menu. Okay, let's drag it here, hover over menu until you see this icon and drag it to the top like that. Okay, and drag this one as well like that way. Drag it here and click save to menu, and then click save menu. Okay, now you have created your first menu. Okay, let's take a look at our website. Okay, first of all, the website hasn't changed. This is actually the blog page. Let's replace it with the home page. Okay, let's go to reading, go to settings, and then reading. To change the home page, we would like the front page to be our home page, not our blog page. The static page, your home page display, and then select home, and then save changes. Okay, let's take a look at it. Okay, this is our home page. It's blank. We didn't build anything yet. Okay, this is our website that we want to build, and this is our current website. As you can see, it's blank and also looks ugly. Okay, first step is we're going to build the first part, which is the header, this section. Okay, let's go ahead and create it. Okay, let's go and click customize. Click customize. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of things going on here, but just click on header builder. Okay, this is the structure of our header. The first thing we're gonna do is click menu and then click here and then click here and then select main menu, the first menu that we have already built. As you can see, this is our menu, and then go back, header builder. Okay, this is the title of our website. If you want to hide it, all you need is click here, this pen, and click that one. Okay, it's gone now. And click here, site logo, and select our logo. Okay, this is our logo that we are going to use. Okay, let's open it. Okay, now our logo is quite big. Okay, let's make it smaller by dragging this. Okay, let's make it smaller. Okay, this is quite good. Okay, but we still need here a button here. Okay, let's go here and this is button. Let's click here. Let's write donate. This button has rounded corners. Okay, let's go and make it rounded. Okay. Okay, here we can make our button rounded corner. Let's click publish. It's quite the same now, but there's something here we have forgot, which is blogs. But we haven't created blogs yet, but we are going to make them. But first, let's click this pen, go to design, and let's change the font of it. Menu font. Okay, click here and choose popping. Now it's quite the same. Okay, click publish. Go to our dashboard and click visit our website. Okay, this is our website, as you can see. Okay, now let's make our header responsive for mobile. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, it looks so bad. It has that text. It's our website title. Okay, let's remove it. So all you need to remove it is go to here. Let's remove it. And as you can see, let's remove it in mobile and tablet. Okay, it's been removed. What we also need to change is the menu. Okay, as you can see, the menu isn't that menu. Okay, let's change it. Go off Canva menu here and select main menu. Okay, if you clicked it, as you can see, it will be changed. Okay, let's test it again. Okay, it has changed. Okay, everything is now cool. If you want to reduce the width of the logo, you can always click it and make it bigger or smaller, and change the view. If you want to make it smaller on desktop, click here and make the change you want. Our header now is responsive for mobile. Let's click publish, and there you go. Okay, so to create this section here, as you can see, there is no section. We need to go to our dashboard and go to pages, all pages, and go to home page and then click edit, and then click edit with Elementor. First things is, before adding anything, go to the settings and click hide title. Okay, by clicking this button, you'll be able to remove this home here, the title of our page. Okay, and click update. Okay, so what we need is click here and drag that one over this intersection and take it here, and you have two columns here. Okay, after creating these sections, all you need is over heading and drag it here inside of this, not here, and put it inside here, that one, this square. After that, I'll go and copy this text. Here you will be able to add any text you want. So let's paste that text here. To change the font, go to style. We are here. Go to style, and our font is, I think, popping. Go here and search for popping, and then click here, typography. Here you can change your font. In here you can change the size of your font. Okay, I think that one is quite suitable. Let's go and click here into this section until you see the blue line takes all of that rectangle. Okay, here, or just click here to make sure you don't mess up with it. Click here, this is our square, and go to style, go to background classic, and let's choose a color. Okay, let's put the color of our website. This is the color of our website. Okay, let's change the color of our text, and let's put it into white. And then what we have here is some text, some default text. You can go and drag text editor and drag it inside of that square, of the left square here, as you can see. Put it here. It's actually the same, just let's reduce the amount of text, and let's change the color. Go to style and text color, and let's change it. Let's change either the font. Go here and let's type popping. Okay, what we still have is this button and learn more. Okay, what we also here is go to this column here, not that one, the second one. Okay, this is the right one, and this is the left one. Go select the left one. Okay, let's drag a button here down the text. Okay, as you can see. Okay, click to this pen to style it, to select it, and then style it. Okay, let's go to style and let's see how our button look like. Let's go and change the background color of our button. Let's change it into white color, and let's change the text color into blue color. Okay, now looks cool. Let's go to content and let's change the text. Let's see, let's change it into donate. Here you can add some link. Okay, let's change it to donate. Okay, now looks perfect. Okay, we still have to add some space. Let's go to padding. Let's add 20. Okay, let's make our corner rounded. Go to border radius here and add 50. Let's unlink here to the padding. Let's add some space between the text and the background in the left side and the right side. Let's make sure we unlink this button. Let's add 30 on the right and 30 on the left. Okay, now looks perfect. Let's change the typography into compain font. Okay, we can change the size of our font. Okay, let's go here and let's add learn more. Let's type here learn more. Okay, let's change the color of it into a white color. Let's change the font first and then white. Let's make it thinny. Okay, as you can see here, we can add 300 or 400. Let's play with the size. Okay, now looks cool. Okay, but here as you can see it's aligned to the button. The button and the text is aligned in one line. So let's make it aligned. Go to advanced and widths and select inline auto. Let's select also button and let's do the same with it. Go to advanced and widths, then select inline. Okay, now it's aligned, but we still need to add some space between the button and the text. As you can see here, it needs some space. Okay, let's go to advanced. Let's go to the margin. Let's unlink. Let's go and add some space on the top. Let's add 10 or 20 or even 15. Let's add some space on the left. Let's add 20. Now looks perfect. Okay, you can see now. Now we need to add an image here. Let's drag the image. Let's put it here, as you can see. Let's import the image we want to use. Okay, let's select the image. You can use whatever image you want. Okay, this is the image. Let's import it. Okay, this is our image. Looks cool. Let's select our section here. Let's select this section to make it aligned or align. Let's make it to the middle. Let's go to layout, select it, and then go to layout and vertical aligned, make it middle. Now it looks cool and also aligned vertically. Okay, click here into this section and click advanced. Let's add some padding. Let's add 60. Now it looks cool after adding some spaces between the objects. Okay, you can save it. Okay, go to style, and if you'd like to add that sharp or that line, you can go to shape divider, as you can see here on the button, and select type and select flat, and click flip to flip it or reverse it. Okay, as you can see here, you can play with the height of it until it match your needs. Okay, you can put whatever size you want. Let's make it perfect as our example. Okay, now this is our header section. I've created our header section. Okay, we can also look for Sina feature. Okay. Let's change it here into have help, sorry. Let's say 20% of the children over the world have been helped. Okay, you can play with the color of the bar. Go here and play with it. You can also change the color of the text. Okay, let's select our text color. Let's change the color of our value. Let's change it into white. Okay, let's change the size of our font. Okay, let's also change the little points around the circle. You can also make it aligned to make the width a little bit smaller. Let's go to, okay, this is our section. Let's go to background and let's change the background into blue because we want to overlay this section over the image, so we want to be able to see it. Okay, after changing the color, click here and add 100 minus 100. Okay, now it overlay. Now it's over the image and it also visible. Okay, now we need to create a section. Okay, to make this section that has lots of logos that supports your organization, like let's say UNICEF or United Way or American Red Cross that supports you. Okay, let's add it to our website. Let's click add and let's create new section. Okay, like that. And let's go to this square and let's click here. And then let's drag the title. Let's center it. Okay, let's change our text. You can put whatever you want here. Okay, let's paste our text. Let's change the typography. Let's change the white. Let's make it thinny. Let's choose 200 and let's make the size a little bit smaller. Okay, let's go here and let's drop another heading. It's a little bit glitchy. Let's drop it again. Okay, let's put it under that heading. Let's make it centered. Let's center it by clicking here. Alignment, center. Okay, let's copy it from our website. Global organization that supports you. Let's paste it here. Now as you can see, it has dark blue color. Let's select our blue color. Let's change the font into popping. Okay, let's make it bolder. You can make it bigger, and you can make it bigger if you want. Okay, let's also change the font of that title. Let's change it to popping. Okay, let's click the square again, and let's type here. Let's search for logo. See now, logo cursor. That one, let's drag it over here under our title. Okay, let's drop it here. Okay, as you can see now, there's a lot of logos, the default logos. You can remove them by clicking here. Okay, let's click that one. You can add anyone you want. You can choose the image or the PNG of this logo. Okay, you can add the link of that organization's website. You can add the brand name or the organization name. Okay, now as you can see, you can select how many logos that shows at default. Okay, let's say there's only 2 here. Let's select 2. Let's select only 2. Okay, there's our 2 logos. They are actually 1, but it's just there is infinity loop here. You can scroll over it, infinity. You can also enable that feature. Okay, let's add another. Let's click add item. Let's choose another logo. Let's select. Let's choose American Red Cross. Okay, there you go. You can go and enable that feature, which is infinity loop. If you like them to be only 2 and never scroll until you have more than 2 items. Okay, now there are only 2 and you cannot scroll over them. You can also enable it if you want. In this website, in this example website, there is infinity loop. Let's select our section. Let's add a little bit of margin or space at the top to make it the space between the first section and the second. Let's make it only 60 pixels. Okay, we have created our section successfully, as you can see. Okay, now we have about us section. Okay, this is our about us section that we are going to build. Okay, to build it, go here and add new column. Okay, and copy that. Go here and drag intersection into our new column. Click here and add some spaces. Let's add 100 pixel on the top. Okay, let's start with the video. Okay, click here and search for video. No. Okay, this is our video. Drag it here. Okay, you can put the link here or choose the platform. You can also select where to start and where to end, time to end and time to start. You can put an image or overlay image. Let's choose that image here. as default. Of course, you're gonna add your own image. Okay, and let's copy that. Let's add lightbox. You can play with the size of the icon. In here you can change the size of that image. I highly recommend let it as default. Okay, now you can change the color of the icon. Okay, let's drag about us. Let's drag some text, paste it here. Okay, let's go to style. Let's add our color. Let's pick our dark blue color. Let's change it to typography. You can select your color, of course. Okay, here we have this text. Okay, go here, the square again, and drag text editor. The text is the same, default text. Okay, and drag a button. Okay, go ahead and style it. Let's choose our blue color. Let's paste the real code of the color. Okay, there you go. This is the code of our color. Okay, we can add 20 pixels to make the border radius. Okay, let's add some padding. 50 is quite. Let's add 25 on the right and 25 on the left. Can also add 30 on the border radius. Okay, select this column and we want to align it to the middle, as you can see. Okay, and let's change the background into white because we want to overlay into this image, as you can see here. Okay, let's go to advanced. Let's go to top, add some space on the top. Area on the left. Let's add 60 on the left. Okay, let's add minus 60. As you can see, it overlays. Let's add some padding between the text and the block. 30. Now that's cool. Okay, let's create other section, which is campaigns. Okay, let's start first with the title. Let's copy here without wasting time. Let's right click and paste. Let's copy that one also. And let's right click and paste it. Okay, let's select that and let's add some margin on the top to add some space. Okay, Let's add 100. Okay. Now we need to create these campaigns. Okay, to create them, go to the dashboard. Okay, so to create these campaigns, go to the dashboard, as you can see, and go to donation and click all form. Select that one, the third one. You can select your primary color of your page. Okay, here some description, doesn't matter for us, but you can add your description. Okay, here there is an image, there is title, there is the price, the goal, the price that they want to collect. You can add anything you want here. There's nothing that is really matter. You can add just a simple image here. Select an image. Okay. You can go and publish it. Add set feature image. You can add your image of that campaign. You can also add a title for your campaign here. Let's say help charity or children. Let's click update, or if you haven't published it. Okay, this is your campaign. You can always go to donation option and set up the minimum amount of money that can be donated. Here, as you can see, you can set the minimum and the maximum of money you could donate. Okay, here you can add some of to your input, any general text. Okay, let's say here, help children. And here we have levels. Let's say $10 could be basic level. Let's write basic level. Here we have, let's add 50. Let's say silver. Let's add 200. Let's add 200. Okay, let's go to here. Let's add 1,000. Let's say diamond. Okay, here you can remove your, and you can add a new level if you want. Let's remove that one. Now update it. Okay, you can go to donation goal and enable having a goal. Let's click enable. Let's say our goal is to raise. You can disable it if you want. Let's say your goal is to raise $10,000. That's right, $10,000. You can select your color, the color of that page. Okay, you can go ahead and update your campaign. And you have successfully created your first campaign. It's that easy. Okay, go to your home page, click edit with Elementor, then go here, search for give form grid, Givewp form grid. Okay, and then it actually shows all the campaigns that you have. Okay, we have only one campaign. You can select how many campaigns to show. Okay, this is how it looks when you click on it. Okay, this is there's two out there. We have only one. Then let's go ahead and create new one. Select the third one. Select the third one, okay. Then give your campaign a name. Help poor people. Okay. And then you can put an featured image for your campaign. Okay, you can also add anything you want here, like submit button, what you want to put on it. Okay. Go to donation options, select the minimum amount of money and the maximum. Okay, here you can add levels, the same we have done before. Instead basic, $10, 50 silver, and also 200. Let's add gold. And let's add 1,000 diamond, and let's remove the last one. We need only 4. You can add levels if you want. After you create them, if you refresh, you'll be able to see them. Okay, go ahead. We have forgot to add donation goal. Okay, put your goal, which is $10,000. Select the color and click update. Now, if you have refreshed, you'll be able to see all the campaigns you have on your website, as you can see here. Okay, if we click on it, notice that this is only the test mode. Test mode is enabled. That means the payment is not yet provided. Let's go to settings. Go to payment gateway, click disable. You can choose to sign up your Stripe account. Click here and connect your Stripe account to receive donations, or you can use PayPal. Go ahead and click here and fill out all the information to connect your website or your campaigns with your payment. Okay, as you can see now, after refreshing, the node is gone. You can fill out all the information and submit donate now. You can also add a custom amount of money or select by level, like gold or diamond, and click donate now. This is how it works. Okay, here we have these call to actions. Let's create them in our website. Okay, click here, add column. Okay, unlink that and add some margin on the top to make some space. And let's copy that text again, paste it here, and copy it again, then paste it. Okay, let's copy that text and let's paste it here. Let's change it. Let's copy that one and let's paste it here. Okay, drop intersection and click add new to create 3 columns. Okay, like as you can see here, there are 3. Okay, and you can search for icon. You can use the library of Elementor and search for anything like donate or any icon that you want, depends on your website. Or you can use icons. You can use SVG icons that you can download from any website. I'm going to upload one. Okay, this is my icon. Let's import it. Okay, here we are. Let's change the color and let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, as you can see here, let's copy this text, become a volunteer. It's actually a call to action, calling people to do a certain action. Okay, let's style it. Let's center it first, and then let's change the color. Let's change the typography. Let's type here popping. As you can see, let's drop some random text. Let's center it. Let's change the size. Okay, you can change also the color. And then we have a little button. Okay, drag this button here and center it. Okay, and then change the text to join us. Click style and then change the background color. Add some padding. Let's add 20 and link that and add 25 on the right and 25 also on the left. Let's add 30 pixels on border radius to make it the corner rounded. Okay, let's make that effect whenever you hover over the button. Okay, let's add the text into blue, and let's change the background into white. Let's add the border. Let's add animation. Let's click solid and let's add 3. Okay, now after hovering over it, it will change. It has that effect. Okay, click here, and then let's change the background. Okay, as you can see now it looks similar. Let's remove that and let's duplicate it instead of building it from scratch again. Let's duplicate it again. Okay, now we need to change just our content. Let's go and copy that text. Okay, let's paste it here. Let's also change the icon. Let's go to icon library. Let's type donate or donation. Okay, let's make it quite smaller because it looks so bigger. Okay, let's add some pattern on the top. Let's add 20. Okay. Let's add some padding on the top on the column. Okay, let's change also that one, the third one. Let's change the button text first. Donate. Okay, let's change the third one. Let's copy the text. Let's paste it here. Let's change the text of our button. Become a partner. Let's change also the icon. Search here for people and insert it. Let's give it our color. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's add a little bit of padding, space on the top or margin. Let's add 30. Okay, now it looks similar to that one that we have here, as you can see. But there is an effect here, a shadow as you hover over that card. Okay, let's add it here. Let's go to style and border and click shadow. Okay, let's play with these items here. As you can see, blur, and let's make a little bit lighter. I forgot that this is the normal. Okay, let's go to hover and then make that effect. Whenever you hover it, that effect happens. Okay, as you can see now, let's make it a little bit lighter. Okay, let's do the same for the other cards. Okay, it's same process, the same process. We're just repeating the same thing. Okay, now looks perfect. Whenever you hover over it, this shadow pops up. Okay, now we need to add this section here. where you can put anything you are thinking about, a goal or your mission. Okay, let's create new item, new section. Let's add some space between the first section and the second. Okay, go to that square, drag an intersection. We have two sections now, two columns inside of our section. Okay, let's drop an image here on the left side. Let's import our text. Let's import our image. You can import any image you want. Okay, now we need to make them make the corner rounded. Go to border radius and add 30. Go to square, put some heading, copy that text, and let's paste it here. Let's change the color. Let's change the topography to popping. You can make it a little bit bigger, as you can see here. You can make it bigger as you want, if you want. Okay. Okay, let's drop our random text here. Okay, write list icon list. Okay, as you can see, and drag it. You can copy that button and paste it here instead of building it again. But I think I have a problem here, but it's okay. Let's change only the color. Okay, let's make the color, the text color into white. Okay, now it looks perfect. Let's change the icons and the text in icon list. Okay, let's copy that text and let's paste it. Here's the link and here's the label. Okay, upload an icon, search for school or whatever you want. Okay, and then you can play with the icon, change the color of it, adjust it, add the size, make the size bigger, change the text. You can add some space between the icon and text. You can also add space between all the icons and text, as you can see. Copy that and paste it here. You can add any link to anything you want. Let's search for help and insert it. Let's copy the third one. And let's paste it here. Let's search for an icon. Let's search for home. Okay, now we have the same thing. Okay, you can add some space between all the items. Okay, now click here and add middle to adjust it or to make it aligned with the text. Okay, let's add some margin on the right to add some space between the image and the text. Okay, you can make it a little bit bigger. Okay, we have successfully created this section, as you can see here. Okay, now we need to build that section. As you can see, we have done everything like numbers, how many volunteers you have, and all of that stuff. Okay, so to create it, all you need is go and create new column. Select four columns and add space here at 100 as always, and drag the title here and copy that, paste it here, change the color. Okay, change the typography, popping, and make it a little bit bigger. Okay, you can let that column a little bit bigger or wider. Okay, we need to build that line between. Okay, go ahead and select solid and dark blue, black, and add 3 on the left. Now that line has been created. Now it's just not that visible. Okay, go and search. Okay, copy that. Search for counter. Paste it here. Select it. Go here and change the color. You can put the number that you want. (2019), but that's how you can remove comma. Okay, and select that to start directly from 2019. Okay, select that text and copy it and paste it here and change the typography of that number into popping. Okay, you can go ahead and copy that and duplicate that column, remove that, and duplicate it again. Remove that line, I forgot about it. Okay, and you can change the number, start from 0, and the number would be, okay, copy that text first and paste it here, and it's 12 key, put here 12, and put here key, which is 1000, okay, plus, yeah, key and plus. Okay, and duplicate it and remove that. Okay, this is our 3 columns. Let's change the third one or the last one. Let's copy that text. Let's paste it here. And you can change that 12 key into 2 or however. You can update and save. Now here we need some space. Okay, let's add all these items into the middle. Okay, as you can see, you can select that and go to advanced and add some padding on the right. Okay, add 10. Let's make it a little bit wider. You can hover until you see that icon and you can drag, okay, until you have the shape that you want. Okay, this is the shape that we want. Hit save. Okay, we have successfully created this section. It's the same. Okay, let's make this section, which is testimonials. Let's go and create new section. Go to advanced, add 100, add some space. Okay, you can drag that text and center it, and you can change that text into testimonial. Let's make it our heading. Let's change the color. Let's change the typography, popping. Make it a little bit bigger. That's perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and search for testimonials. See now testimonials, drag it over here under that heading. Okay, as you can see, it has completely built in. Okay, you can change that people that are saying about your organization, what they are saying, what company they are working on or working for, the position and the name. You can change everything, and also that image of that person. You can add it or remove. You can do whatever you want, so you can manipulate it however you want. You can change every person's name here. You can do anything you want, as you can see. You can enable that infinity loop effect, so it has some and. Whenever you pass 3 testimonials, it's the and. Okay, let's create our team section. Okay, it's quite the same. Okay, let's create that section. Let's add some space at 100. Let's drag intersection here. Let's duplicate. Let's create them 3. Okay, let's put an image here. Let's put a heading here. Let's put another one for the name. Let's drag a heading here. Okay, let's put some random text. And also you can look for social media icons, social icons, search for them and drag them here. Okay, let's change the picture. Select your person's photo. Okay, let's upload that image. Okay, this is our image of the first member. Okay, let's change it into the position. Let's change it to the manager. Let's change the text, the color, sorry. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Change first the font. Let's make it thinny. Let's choose 300. Let's make the font a little bit smaller. Let's select the name. Okay, paste it here, center it, change the color, the same process again and again. Okay, first let's center that text. Let's change that. Let's add some pattern first. The right, 10 on the right, 10 on the left. Okay, some space between here and there. Okay, select social icons. You can add whatever icon you want. Let's say Instagram. You can insert it and add link to your, here you can add the link to your profile. Okay, let's remove it. I don't want an Instagram. Okay, we can make it circle or square. How many icons you want to display in one column. Okay, let's say 5 or 3. 3 is better. 3 in one column. Okay, let's make our color custom. We don't want official colors, they are boring. Okay, let's make that transparent and let's change that into our dark blue, as you can see now. Okay, let's click here to that section and let's give it that color. Let's copy it and let's skip back. Click here, go to style, background, type color, and let's paste the color here. Okay, we're going to do the same here. Let's change first, add some margin. Let's remove that and let's duplicate that. Let's remove the third one and let's duplicate it again. Okay, this is actually what we want. Okay, let's change the content here, copy that name. Okay, paste it here, change the image. You can import the image of that person and import it. Okay, select it like that. It should be the same size of the image to make it cool. Okay, let's change the third one. Let's import the image. Okay, we have imported. Okay, let's change the name. Okay, that one, go to style, make the name quite smaller because it's quite bigger. The same for the third one. Okay, now we have successfully created our member team or team member section, as you can see. Now we need to be making our blog section or news. Okay, as you can see here, that blog has a heading and also some photos heading here. Like you can write about anything you want. You can also put a comment. Okay, let's go and create that section. Okay, to create that section, you need to go to your dashboard. Let's create the blog first. Let's go to post, add new, and give your posts a title. Let's say help children, and let's say help children, whatever. Okay, now here you can add anything, like add to that button. Okay, click to that button, add an image if you want, add and insert it. You can adjust it the way you want. Okay, and add heading. You can add any heading, like this heading. How do we help children? You can make it bold. You can add a paragraph. You can add spacer. Spacer actually makes some space between a block and another. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, let's copy this text. Let's go and add paragraph. And let's paste that text here. Let's say this is your post. Just plain random things. Okay. And another heading. Click heading. And then add spacer, or add spacer at the top of the second heading. Okay, you can make it bold. You can make it heading 2, H2, and that one make it H1. H1 bigger than H2 and H2 bigger than H3, and so on and so forth. Okay, you can make it italic style or whatever you want. I prefer not. Okay, you can highlight with color. As you can see, you can do anything you want. Okay, let's turn it back. Let's add a little bit of text, copy that. Okay, and copy also that, like anything. Let's add spacer again. Let's add paragraph, and let's paste our text here. Okay, and let's add featured image. Okay, there you go. We have added our featured image, which will be the front image for this blog. Okay, or let's change it to that. Then you can okay, that's it. You can click publish, and there you go. You have published your first post. And now we're going to paste that in our website. Okay, this is our post, as you can see. You can allow comments. You can allow comments or not allowing comments here. Okay, go to pages, go to home page and click edit with Elementor. And go up to our section. Okay, click add new section. Okay, let's add 100 pixel in the margin top. Okay, let's copy the first title. Let's paste it here. Okay, let's make it align to the left. Okay, let's change the text. Let's copy it again. And then let's paste it here. Let's click. Okay, let's change the text. Okay, now let's go and search for Sina blog post and paste it here. It's quite glitchy, I think. Okay, this is how our blog look like. This is how our blog look like. This is the, because we have two blogs. We have two blogs. Okay, this is the first one that we have created. We want to make it as that. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, let's show meta. Let's add some data, as you can see here. That's quite close. Go to style and go to center. As you can see, now it looks the same. Okay, click update, save your changes. Okay, we have successfully created our blog section, and there you go. As you can see, we can remove that image here. It doesn't look perfect, but we can left it. Okay, let's go to posts. Let's trash that one. Hello world, the default one. Let's go and click edit. Let's remove that one, that image. Okay, you can remove that spacer. Okay, and click update. You can put a comment. Okay, let's go here. Okay, we have successfully created our blog section. Okay, let's create this footer, as you can see here. We need to create it down here. Okay, let's go and click customize and go to footer builder. Go to footer builder, and this is the structure of our footer. Click here, the left side, and add here, add image, upload an image, upload your logo. Sorry, upload your logo. Go and select your PNG logo. Okay, as you can see these points, you can actually adjust your logo's size, as you can see here. And click on the middle and drop a menu, your footer menu. You can go and click here and go to footer menu and select your menu that you want to be visible here on your footer, as you can see here. Okay, okay, click here and let's drop social icons. Okay, you can actually add any social media you want. You can adjust the alignment, you can play with the color, add the background color that you want. I use blue. You can change the size of the icon and also spacing between the icons, and also you can add space. This is if your icons are rounded, has rounded corners. Okay, you can use their official colors or custom. I highly suggest custom colors. Okay, now we have successfully created our section. Click publish, and you have created. Okay, let's see how it looks on mobile first. Okay, this is the tablet, and let's click and see how it looks on mobile. It's fully responsive. It's automatically responsive. Okay, as you can see here, you can also adjust with your icons in mobile view. It doesn't affect the tablet view or desktop view, just for the mobile view. Okay. Okay, now we have successfully created this section. Let's see how our website look like on mobile view. It looks a little bit not that great. Okay, let's go click pages and go to the home page. Okay, and click edit with Elementor. Okay, this is the page. Okay, click to view, mobile view, first tablet view, sorry, and adjust the size of the text in tablet view only. Doesn't affect the other views. Okay, you can play with the size you want, elements, change the size, background, and also the color, also typography, anything you want. Okay, let's change typography. No, let's make the text a little bit smaller. Let's play with the value. Let's make it a little bit smaller, 29%. Let's go to style and let's make the bar a little bit smaller or thinny. Okay, you can add the size of this block. Okay, this element is already being cool. Okay, you can click here if you want to add only two in the column. Let's add here 50% of the page of the column. Okay, 50%, and also 50% for the other. If you want to take one, okay, let's go here and select top to align to the top. Okay, or even to the middle. You can select whatever you want. Okay, let's adjust the size of our text. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay, that looks perfect. Okay, let's add 100 to take full width of the page. Let's add some margin for the text, 20% on the left. Let's add here some 50% or 60%. Okay, let's add some margin on the top. Let's make the font a little bit bigger. Let's change the text, that text. Okay, we have some lists, icon list. You can also make the text bigger. Okay, you can add some margin on the top. Okay, this section has quite a little bit of problems here. You need to, okay, let's make this text a little bit smaller. Okay, let's do the same to that one. Let's click the other one and do the same thing, just repeating the same process for every element. Play with it, the size and the view that you want on mobile, desktop, and tablet. Okay, let's do the same thing that we have had before. For that, let's take 50% of the width of the page, the same for that, and also the same for that. Okay, that blog section looks perfect. Okay, that looks perfect. Let's go to mobile view. Let's see. Oh, we have a little bit of problems here. Let's click to this section. Let's go to advanced. Let's select that one. Let's select the text. Let's change the typography, but there is some spaces here that we have to remove. Okay, let's click here and let's remove that padding. Okay, go to the section and go to padding and remove all the paddings we have. Okay, let's add a little bit of paddings on the top. Oh, sorry. Let's add only some pattern on the top. Okay, let's select our text and let's add some. You can also do anything you want. Make the text bigger or the font, anything you want. Okay, let's make some spaces. Let's add 40% on the top, 40% on the left. And let's add 10% on the right. Okay, here let's just add some. Oh no, let's make the text a little bit smaller. Okay, we have a problem here. Let's go to advanced and let's remove all the paddings on the margins we have. Let's add some margin on the top. Let's add also some. Okay, let's add one on the padding. Okay, you can just play with the size of the text here. Let's add 20% on the bottom or 40%. Compain looks awesome, everything looks cool, but here we have a problem here. Okay, you can make the font or the text smaller. Okay, the same for that text, that paragraph. Okay, here all we need is go to content and make it align to the center. Okay, you can add some padding here. Select that one. Okay, you can add some padding for each element. Okay, let's add some padding on the bottom and also something on the right, the left, 20 left, 20 right. Okay, let's reduce the size of the text for testimonials. Okay, and that's it. And don't forget to update, click update. Okay, this is our website actually. Okay, let's go to the tablet view, and let's change here how many logos to show on the tablet view. Here we should only add one, and also do the same for the mobile view. Let's see the problem. There's a problem here. It's too small. And let's add only one. Now it looks cool. Okay, don't forget to update. And let's see our website. Click here. Everything, the menu, everything is cool. As you can see here, all the logos, about section, campaigns, call to actions, like everything looks awesome. Okay, numbers and also testimonials here, you can drag them or scroll. Okay, this is your team or our team. This is the footer. You could add some space here. Select this section and let's add some padding on the left. Let's add 20 on the left. Let's refresh. Okay. Okay, some space has added. Okay, let's go to about page, which we haven't created yet, but let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks cool. Let's go to see how our contact page looks, and let's see our donate page. It's separated than our campaigns. Okay, let's go to our home page and let's go to templates and started templates, save templates, and let's import the templates file. Okay, I will leave you the template file in the description below, which you can download. This is the file. Okay, you can unzip it first. I will show you how you can import these templates instead of building them yourself and wasting time. I will give you the template and I'll show you how you can import it into your website and how you can adjust it to fit your needs. Okay, after unzip it, this is the template file. Okay, go here and import it and click import now. Okay, our template have been successfully uploaded. Okay, we have our templates here. As you can see, there's home page and donate page and also contact form page, as you can see here. Let's go to our about page. As you can see, there's nothing, it's blank. And also let's go to contact. As you can see, it's blank. I'll show you how you can import the template. Go to pages and go to first into about page and click edit. Then click edit with elementor, like the same thing we have had with the home page. But this time we're not going to build it from scratch. Let's go first and hide title. Let's go to my templates and go to about page and click insert, enable, apply. Okay, there you go. You have everything you need. I'll also leave you the home page to import it like that. Just 2 clicks and there you go. You have your website on the internet with that design. Just here some glitch. Okay, the color actually depends on the global color of your website. You can play with them and add any color you want, and also add any text you want. Change the image, text, color, or even flip them. You can put an element under other. You can do anything you want. Okay, let's go and change the color here of this button. Let's put white color, text color. You can change here these images. You can put whatever you want. Okay, and also you can change that image, that is background image. You can change it. You can also play with position and everything. Okay, let's see how our about us page look like after updating, of course, and save it. Okay, let's go back and let's go to contact page and let's do the same with it. Go to edit with elementor, click to it and click into hide title and click that file and click my templates and then go to contact and click insert and apply. And it will automatically upload all the template we have. Okay, as you can see, but you have here, you have to change these colors into your color, as you can see, for email account, also the icons. But here, as you can see, the contact form doesn't work. Let's go to our example. Let's see, it doesn't show up here. I'll show you how to fix it. Go to the dashboard and go to contact form and add new. Give your contact form a name. This is the structure of your form, as you can see here. You can add any element you want here. Click if it's required field or not. You can add a value or text inside of the input. Let's say select a date, or maybe this is a date input. As you can see here, it's quite advanced, and I don't like that structure. It's quite technically, but this is the best plugin for contact form. Okay, let's first give your form a name. Contact form. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay, let's copy that. Let's go to here. Let's paste that short code. Okay, there you go. You have everything here. As you can see, there's everything you need. And all the emails will receive into your email that you have entered for your WordPress website. Let's change the text into contact us. Let's change the image change it into the image that you want. Okay, you can add a link here into everything that you want. Link any element to any page you want or any link you want. Okay, let's go back. As you can see, let's see how our contact us form look like. Okay, let's go back and let's go to all pages. Okay, let's go to pages and let's go to donation. Let's go to and click edit with Elementor. Let's create our donation page. Okay, let's click into this first hide title and let's go to templates. As you can see, let's go to donation page and apply. Okay, as you can see here, let's wait for a second. This is all your campaigns, and here you can change the background image of your heading. Let's see how your donation page look like. Okay, but first you need to go to your dashboard. After clicking save, of course, let's go to donation and all forms. Let's copy any form here you have and let's paste it here. Okay, we're going to paste it here. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go back to our donation. Let's copy that code, the shortcut of our compain. Let's click edit with Elementor for donation page. Okay, let's click here. Let's click here and let's paste that code here. Okay, as you can see, it's all done. Go to home and click edit with Elementor. I'm going to link all the buttons to pages that we have. Let's give that link into about, and let's give that link into donation page, and the same for that one. Let's give that link to contact page, also that contact page. Okay, here is how you can add a link. You can go to link and remove that. Write that name of your page and it will pop up here, as you can see, contact or donation page. Okay, let's type here donation. It will pop up here, as you can see. Will give you the path to that page. If you click it, it will take you to that page here, as you can see. Just type donation and click. Okay, and let's link learn more into about page. Let's type about, and about us page will pop up. Okay, let's do the same here. Let's type the name of the page and it will give you the path or the URL to that page, and the same for these call to actions. You can link that into donation page and also that as well, and you can link that into about page or contact page, and you can link that into donation page. Okay, let's hit save and let's view our website. This is our website. Let's click here. There you go. You went to your donation page, and we still need to add a link to that button. Click customize and go to, and just click into the button and add link here. You can copy that, paste it here, and see the path to your page, and click publish. And let's go back. Okay, let's refresh and let's test the page. Okay, as you can see, we have click on it. Let's edit with Elementor, the page with Elementor, and then you can change the background image. You can add a color overlay this image. Let's say blue, as you can see here, like what we have done for other pages. You can click and add color for our text. Okay, and click to other campaigns, then put the color that you want. And that's it. Okay, you can always find me on Fiverr if you would any service or any premium website that you can invest or build for your organization. You can always find me on Fiverr. Find the link in the description below. Okay, that's it for this video. We have successfully created our website that has all the features that I promised you. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope that video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's meet in other video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.